Moving to or from Los Angeles. FlatRate Moving Los Angeles is the #1 choice for moving experts in Los Angeles. At FlatRate Moving Los Angeles, we fully understand the challenges you face with your move and make it our business to strive to turn every stage of your moving process into a perfect move. Our team of experts will work with you every step of the way to ensure that your move goes smoothly from start to finish. We offer local moves, mid-distance moves, long-distance moves, and international moves. We also provide commercial and storage services. And always included in your move is our all-inclusive, one-price guarantee that starts with a free estimate. FlatRate Moving Los Angeles has revolutionized the moving industry from day one by introducing a guaranteed, all-inclusive flat rate pricing system. This means that no matter what kind of move you're doing, local or international, you'll know exactly how much it will cost before using our service. When you work with FlatRate Moving Los Angeles, you can be sure that your belongings will be handled with care by our team of professional movers. But don't just take our word for it. FlatRate Moving Los Angeles has been approved as a trusted mover by some of the world's most respected organizations. If you'd like to learn more about our moving company in Los Angeles or would like a free quote on your next move, contact our Los Angeles office today at 213-404-1080. Or visit our website at www.flatrate.com/location/Los Angeles-movers. You can trust us with your moving needs.